Ignition is server-based, meaning you have a gateway installed and set up at your facility. It's connected to all the PLCs and gathering values from them. It's running all the clients, and it's storing historical data in the database. What this means is that if that server were to go down, either because of a hard drive failure or the power were to go out to that server, all of the clients would stop functioning, and all your historical data and values would stop being collected, and you would essentially lose data, which would not be a good thing. Because of this, it's possible to set up Ignition in a redundant environment, which we call a mission-critical architecture. Essentially, this is for fault tolerance, where we would have 2 Ignition gateway servers running and set up at our facility. But this also means we would need 2 licenses, one for each gateway. Now, we would need 1 full license for the master gateway, but then we could have a backup-only license for our backup gateway to help reduce costs. So with that setup, I would have 2 gateways. Gateway 1, which I'm going to have be my master, and Gateway 2, which I'm going to have be my backup. It's a fairly simple architecture, and it's very easy to set up redundancy in Ignition. There's a couple of different settings that need to be checked, and then once that's done, Ignition will automatically synchronize them, so that any changes made on the master will automatically be sent and synchronized up with the backup. Now, in a normal situation, Gateway 1, or the master gateway, will be running everything, as denoted by these blue lines. It'll be connected to and gathering data values from our PLCs. It'll be storing historical data in our databases, and it's going to be running all of our clients out in the field. Now, if Gateway 1 were to ever go down, Gateway 2 would, after a certain amount of time, see that Gateway 1 was down and assume the responsibilities of being the active gateway. It will automatically connect to PLCs and start grabbing values from them, and it will store any historical data in our databases. Any clients that we're currently running out in the field will also automatically switch over and connect to Gateway 2. So as you can see, Ignition redundancy is a basic master backup setup that's simple to deploy, yet very powerful at protecting your system. And it guarantees that if the server ever goes down, there's always a backup that can continue running things smoothly and automatically.